And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you 15 different video ideas to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. And if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics for this channel, they're getting an insane 18 million views per month, making an estimated between $4,700 and $74,000 a month. If this channel is monetized, I would estimate that they're making upwards of $60,000 a month. So what can you do, and how can you use this to your advantage to make money on YouTube without showing your face or making any videos? So I would guess they're making at least $25,000 a month just from ads if they have ads on. I'm sure anybody would be happy with an extra $25,000 a month and they never even show their face. If you go to Fiverr.com and you search meditation on Fiverr, you can literally find people who will make meditations for you starting at only $5. So imagine you pay someone $5 to make a meditation, and if we go to Michael Seeley's channel right here, his videos are getting on average 500,000, 3 million, 200,000. That could be $300 to $500 per video, and you could only pay $5 to get the meditation made. And if you look at the Social Blade statistics, he gets 5 million views a month with these types of videos. 66.3 million subscribers, and if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics, 211 million views a month. They're literally just showing life hacks, putting a camera up, putting some lights up, filming their hands, doing the different life hacks without ever showing your face. So woodworking videos, if you look them up like this, you can find people literally just recording woodworking tools and woodworking inventions and stuff of that nature. And what's really amazing is I'm going to show you guys a trick how you can actually make a lot more money than just ad revenue with these videos as well. 16,000 wood plans right here that people can buy for $67, and you make an average of $53 per sale, every single sale that you get. If we look at the Social Blade statistics, 34 million views a month just with these types of videos. So you can actually just use stock footage and do a voiceover on top of that stock footage and get a lot of views. 1 million subscribers, they could have potentially earned a gold play button from YouTube, and they do videos like people who like to be alone have these 12 personality traits. They get 3 million views a month on their channel, and I would estimate they're making around $5,000 to $6,000 a month. Use other people's products on places like clickbank.com, digistore24.com, or the Amazon affiliate program and promote those products on your videos. Just talking about these different dogs, comparing different dogs, because I would assume there's so many different combinations of dogs you could compare. You could compare Boston Terriers versus French Bulldogs, and then do Boston Terrier versus Labrador, then do Boston Terrier versus Husky, and just compare as many different dogs as you can. I would guess they're making around $300,000 a month just from ad revenue alone if they have ads on their channel, which I would guess they most certainly do. Tube Mastery Monetization is a complete step-by-step course and community that shows you exactly how I run 9 different YouTube channels and make 6 figures a year from them. And it really walks you through step-by-step exactly how I've gotten videos to over 10 million views, the anatomy that almost all viral videos follow,